How to fix Huawei Nova 13 video recording not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then again click on apps. Now here you can see the option camera. Now click on it. Now first of all, force stop your camera from here. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and then clear your cache memory from here. After clear your cache memory, then open the main page of your settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.